here. I probably don't sound too well because I'm not that well, but however, a lot of things happened this week. Basically, with my wife gave birth to our daughter, so that happened. I'm extremely tired from that. Luke decided to do an event right now, and it's one of those events where I feel kind of stitched up because I keep telling everyone to do these types of events, and then he plans it right at the most inconvenient of times. So however, wife has agreed to let me out and do this event. So it is an Archie Aussie Day themed drift day, so that's what we're here. That's why I've got the cheeseburger, which I think I'm changing the name of because it doesn't match. I don't eat cheeseburgers anymore. And yeah, anyway, that's it. We're here. Travis, Mr. Stir is there. So we're just going to get cameras on and we're going to start driving. I've put a muffler on in my car, so you'll hear it, but it's obviously nowhere near as loud as it was. So hope you guys enjoy this. We also put a bonnet vent on. A lot of heat coming out of there. That should help as well. So yeah, I've got mixed emotions. I probably don't look excited. I'm kind of in this weird, like, kind of feel like I'm at work, but I love drifting, so it's kind of a weird one. Anyway, get into it, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.
go to AU.
We'll sort him. Yeah, Luca's driving just because I'm going to put this on thing and everyone's going to be like, oh, did he?
What's that?
You're driving better than Nicholas. Sorry, Nick.
Nick, dude.
Nick's out there.
Oh, dude, were we sending or what?
No, that was good.
Yeah, it was crazy. Don't feel bad.
Oh, that's a wrap for this bit, guys. Sadly, Travis's car couldn't get footage because basically when I got here, by the time I set up anything, he had some issues with the drive belt, so they're broken. And yeah, car's good. Luke, go and drive it. He loves it. He's buying an AU, so we're going to sort him for an AU. I love driving. It's getting a bit hot at the moment, so hopefully this next... I've got a couple of things I'm going to do to try and overcome that problem. Basically, since I put the extractors on, it gets real hot, so I want to sort that out and get it back out here and do more than 4 laps before it gets hot. So we'll do that. So hope you guys enjoyed and catch you in the next one.